Bonjour, welcome to Ludo à la Maison. We are going to make a steak Diane with pommes frites. What is a steak Diane? Steak Diane is a sear steak. It was created in New York in the, I forgot the date, you can Google it, it's fine. Just Google steak Diane. We are going to start with pommes frites. Pommes frites like my mom's style, fast. My mom actually was cooking a lot of pommes frites for me. At least 2 or 3 times a month we have pommes frites. And I was very excited about the pommes frites. But you know, pommes frites can be a little bit complicated. They say a good pommes frites take 3 days to do. To wash them, to blanch them, to cook them. But my mom, she was just doing that like that. We're going to peel the potato like Maman style. My mom never used a peeler. She always used a knife. As you know, French fries is not French. It's from Belgium. Now we're going to cut the potato. So this is the side of the potato. Don't need to be perfect, you know. So we're going to put all the potato now in the oil. Greased oil, 350 Fahrenheit. It's hot. The key is really to fry them at low temperature. The potato have time to cook. Too much right away, they're going to get a golden brown color, but they're not going to be cooked. Be gentle, be careful, don't burn yourself, okay? In America, I would say you love your fry very, very crunchy. I love to have some meat, potato pulp inside. I almost love mushy fry. Voila. Sometimes you do a sauce before you're cooking the steak. This one you do the sauce in the pan. Like that you get all the flavor of the steak. So we need Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard is from where, Jeff? Dijon, where is from Dijon? Where I'm from, Jeff? Ah! The most important thing.
England.
Yeah, okay, you're with me now. Okay, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce. We mix very well like that. Worcestershire, I cannot say this. Still a lot of people cannot say that. It's not just me because I'm French. Beef tenderloin. For me, a beef tenderloin is the best cut of the beef. Okay, and I use a 6 ounce beef tenderloin. We are going to brush a little bit with some fish sauce. Fish sauce have a lot of flavor. Also it's salty, so the fish sauce is going to replace the salt and also give a better coloration. I love fish sauce, but what it stink.
It's so bad.
Oh, it's good, but don't use that if you have a date. You're going to smell like fish sauce. Put a little bit of black pepper each side. Check the potato frit. Voila, our frites are ready. Look at this beautiful coloration. So you don't need to buy a friteuse. Huh? You know what's a friteuse, Jeff? Friteuse. It's a fryer. We don't need to buy a fryer, you know. People say, oh, I don't want to do pommes frites in my house because I don't have a fryer. Just take a big pot, put your oil, and just use this for the frit. So we put salt. So be generous on salt. I like the potato with a lot of salt, okay? So, okay, cook the steak. So, grapeseed oil. Make sure it's hot. Good, it's hot. We'll put our steak here. When you cook a steak, make sure to cook each side same time. If you cook with the first side 3 minutes, the other side 3 minutes too. Really work on the crust. A good steak is about crust. Look at the beautiful coloration of the steak. Look. That's beautiful, see? It's nice, it's crispy. Voilà, this one is ready. I'll put that here with the steak to rest a little bit. So it's important when you cook a steak to let rest the meat, okay? When you cook a steak, all the blood, you know, all go to the center of the meat, and the meat gets very, very tough. When you let rest the steak, all the blood is going to go away. I'm going to take up the fat, okay? We don't want too much this burnt oil. And here you can see you have all the colorization of the steak in the pan. That is all about flavor here. Shall it in the pan? Just a little touch of butter here, just like that. Just to get all the flavor. Cook the shallots slowly. Make sure to stir them all the time. And now it's going to be time to deglaze with the Ciroc VS. This is a very fine French brandy, 100% French, like me. So I'm going to take my little Ciroc VS and put in the pan like that. Deglaze, and now we're going to flamber. Oh, that smells good, guys.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah, I'll be of it. See, never mind.
Voilà, that's Ludo à la Maison, that's live, we call that flamber. Very good, ça va. Thank you, guys. So, now I'm going to add my mix. We'll put that here. And we're going to put our veal stock. bring to boil. So mix very well. What we're missing now, Jeff? What do you think is important the French sauce?
Butter.
Yeah! Un petit peu de beurre. Voilà. I'm going to add a little bit of chive in the sauce. A little bit of lemon juice. Perfect, it's ready, guys. We're ready to plate. Okay, so the mama fried steak. I'll put the sauce on the steak. A bit more chive on top. Voilà. Steak Diane with pommes frites.